Aaron Lewington. Do you know what? I actually forgot all about that. Thanks for reminding me, Jim Bob. Still need to deal with that, and I will. I still will deal with that. TikTok, TikTok. Yeah, this is TikTok, mate. We'll be on a 10,000 followers on this one soon. Be on the beta program on this as well. What do you think of my latest video, guys, on my main account? What do you think of my latest video on my main account? Are you silly? Come on, drillers. You like turtles? What do you like about turtles? Come on, drillers! Yes, Free Spirit Dino. You'll never be being unblocked, mate, by the way. The person I just blocked. Never. Never will you be being unblocked. Goldie, the real one, bruv, in the building. Come on, we're trying to get these likes up, mate. I'm alright, mate. You know, rocking and rolling. Probably going to come off in a bit. Just came to see how everyone is, mate. Thank you, Just Chris, for trying again, driller. Yeah, I might come off in a bit. Have you seen my latest video? Have you seen my latest video? Have you seen my latest video on my main? Thank you, Free Spirit. Thank you, Free Spirit, bruv. Tap that screen, driller. Get those lights flying up, bruv. Go on, Rach. Go on, Medical. No, they're not. That's where you're wrong. They're just waiting for my bigger account to come back on Sunday. Yes, Medical can. Medical. Oh, I'm not beyond long. No, they're not. What? Because Live Clips has gone. I always thought he was a bit of a snake anyway. That's because I haven't been doing box battles. Don't really think it's worth doing it on this account. I'll return on the bigger account, innit? I'll return on the bigger account on Sunday. Yes, Martin, bruv. How you doing, Martin Claridge, mate? Yes, Kipsy's cuddled. Go and check out my latest video. I think it's good. I think it's really good, mate. Oh, he's a snake, mate. Thank you, Free Spirit. How many views is it on? How many views was it on, Free Spirit? How many views is it on, Kipsy? Not really, I'm not gonna lie. I had a ropey chicken shish and chips. Didn't like it. That's not a lot, mate. I need more than that. It's only on 1,000. It can't. It's got to be on more than that. Is that all it's on? Kipsy's Cuddle. Is that all it's on? 1,669. That's shit, alright. That's shit, alright, guys. Guys, if you could do me all a favour, repost, share that video. Like, repost it. Could you repost it, Kipsy? Could you repost it, Free Spirit? Could you repost it, Axdino? Could you repost it, Sean? My latest one. Repost it, innit? Everyone repost that video. Well, I'm going in a bit. If you could do that as well, Goldie, bruv. The latest one, the Axdino. Thank you, Shauno Jacobs, bruv. Live clip's gone, mate. He won't be coming back, Shauno. R.I.P. Thank you, Axdino. What a driller, mate. I'm going in a bit. Thank you, guys. See you later, drillers.